Hello car owners, here introduce the installation steps of the A20 dashcam for BMW. Open the box. It contains the dashcam and a plug-and-play cable. Disassemble the original car shell. Find our plug-and-play cable. We will use it in the next. Find the connecting plug of the original car. Unplug it. Use the plug we mark in the right side picture. Use the socket we just empty. Use the socket we mark in the left side picture. Connect the port you just unplugged. Pull the main unit apart to the contrary sides with a little force. Use the host cable to connect to the interface marked in the figure. Ignore the white interface. No need to plug. Hide the excess wire in the direction indicated by the arrow. Install the recorder on the windshield. The other side of the shell is also carefully buckled. The installation is complete.